Thursday, 16th of December 2020. Once again, weather is crap, so I've been sitting best part of the day doing general jobs around the house, and I thought, I need to get out, just get some fresh air. So I'm just off for a run. Well, turn your lights down, pal. Just out for a run. I think he's just dumped the baby chair. Just out for a run round the Derwent reservoir, maybe it's over the moors or something, just past an hour away. I certainly picked a good time to be off work anyway, because it would have been soaking in this weather. I've only been on the road a couple of minutes, so it's pretty cold in here. I'm waiting for it to warm up. Heading towards the A68. There's lots of water all over the road in different spots. It's rained non-stop since I got up, which was around about 7 o'clock. So I don't expect there'll be many over the Derwent reservoir, right? There'll not be many people walking in this weather, I wouldn't think so anyway, but we'll see as well. We'll trip around there anyway. Came over the moors first. I'm just about to enter the moors now. As you can see, still raining. Just came over the cattle grid. See what's happening over here in the day. Looks pretty quiet anyway. Well, I'm getting a bit further on, and looks like some thick fog as we're climbing up. Somebody behind there. I hope he's not a flyer or she in this weather, because it'll be even worse to see the sheep. Weather's always a lot colder here than what it is at home, obviously, because of the height. It's one of them times when it looks thick in the distance, but when you're actually in it, it's not so bad. But I am climbing constantly, so it might get worse. Passing one reservoir over here on the right. Yeah, it's not that bad, really. But there's quite a bit of water on the roads. And that car there has decided just to stay behind by the looks of things. Wise choice, really, in this weather. Rain, fog. There's a car park just up here on my left. I didn't expect to see any cars parked in it, and obviously there isn't, but here's a little thing for you. I mentioned the other week about the customer claimed I broke his TV and said, are you insured and everything? And I went, yeah. Apparently when I phoned the insurance company, I wasn't covered, but you know, the insurance companies are like, if they find they can get away out, they'll get away out. That car's decided to go past. So yeah, if they can get away out, they'll get away out, and I had to pay for it myself, even though to this day I still think I didn't break it, but what can you do? So, nice Christmas present for him anyway. Spend it on his kids. So, a few dead sheep. Just passed another one there. That's the third one I've passed. So I had to pay for the TV, then insurance for the van, tax for the van. So it's been quite expensive month, December so far. I never liked the idea of insurance and tax due the same month, so I taxed it for 6 months, then I can split it up, and then I'll go back for the year in July. Breaks it up a bit. It's getting really dark over here very quick, the higher I'm getting up. Clouds are just hanging like. I'm just going to pull in this lay-by here, just have a look at something. Well, it's not much of a lay-by, it's more of a parking space, but just to see if I can demonstrate these clouds on this little camera. They're just hanging on the hillside there. Try a bit zoom in. And there's a reservoir. Just over there. So it's not very pleasant out here, but look at the rubbish. The rubbish, cans, bags, plastic bottles, McDonald's cups, McDonald's bags. People must buy and just come here and eat it from here. Right. Off we'll go again. Well, last time I come over here we were covered in snow. It's not so bad today, like, but part of the rain. Oh, a couple just pulled up just on the side of the road, just have a bit glance at things, I think. This is where I normally come to fly my drone, but need flying a day in this weather. I think I might have to invest in a waterproof drone. You can buy one, like, which you can land it on the sea and all that sort of thing. So a little bit wet weather won't harm it at all. Look at it over there. It's like clouds hanging, and yet it looks like almost the sun shining as well. at the same time. So I've just turned this corner here. This is kind of the back road into the derwent reservoir, if you like. I mean, it's a long way off yet, of course, but this is the back road in. Well, it's the back road into Blanchland, actually. Blanchland village. But I think I'll miss out the village and come out at the top of Blanchland, up the top of the bank. And actually there's no rain here now. It seems to have eased off. In this part anyway. This is when I came over here the other week in the snow, and I explained about, I thought I wasn't going to make it. Well, this was it. Look at how tight this is. And this road was covered in snow. And if you remember, watch the if you've seen the video, you remember there was a car came up and he couldn't get up here. So I had to just let it go and kind of freewheel all the way down here. Then at this point here, there was no snow. So I was sliding all over the place until I got to that point. But yeah, that was a bit dodgy. There's somebody not afraid of the rain. It's not raining now, like, but every time I come along here I see the signs for red squirrels. I've never seen one yet. I've seen one a little way up the road, but I've never seen one in this area. This is rough side again. Everything looks quiet in the winter months. Not many people there got Christmas lights up. I mean, I haven't got any myself, like, so I'm not complaining, but I haven't even got a tree up. But it doesn't interest us at all, so it doesn't make any difference. I like to go and see others like I did last night and the other week. Nice to see people's imagination with their lights in it. I'm just coming along the side of the derwent reservoir. And there's hardly passing anybody at all. I wonder how far that jogger was heading for. Whether he was from Rough Side, maybe, I don't know. There's a guy there who is like ex-military, and when I spoke to him, I says, a bit lonely and way out here. He went, just the way I want it. So yeah, some people actually prefer that way, some people don't, but yeah, he seemed very happy, just doing his own thing. Obviously I didn't know now to put his background on out, but he was interesting to listen to anyway. There's 3 cars in the car park, so I presume there's a couple out walking around the derwent reservoir. somewhere. It's starting to get dark now. It's 3:15 in the afternoon. When you think in the summer you can drive round here 10 o'clock at night and it's about the same as what it is now. Just starting to cut in. So that's 7 hours different. It'll almost be dark complete by the time I get back. I was going to go to the garage and fill up, but I've still got half a tank yet, but I just thought, just in case I decide to go somewhere. But you're limited, aren't you, apparently? Apart from them few days over Christmas, where you can go anywhere you want in the country, apparently, to visit family in your little bubble. So coming into Edmund Bayers, another canny little village, nice place to live. I was here just 2 weeks ago, I think, sorting an area out for somebody in the caravan. There's 2 caravan parks in Edmund Bayers. One on the left, just along here, and then one on the right, just after the junction. The one on the left, you actually turn in here. You might see that. Holder homes for sale. It's along there. Somewhere else with bright lights. It says fire on the front. Fire and rescue. So the other caravan park is in here, just in there, and it's closed, so that'll be shut till February or something, I would have thought, and you'll be able to come back in March. I could see the derwent reservoir wasn't full. Just a little way back along the road there, I could see quite a bit of the reservoir, and back on the 68. Not be long before I'm back now. And anybody that's local to me in Concert area, I've heard that, I think it was from Monday, Tesco, the big Tesco in Concert's now open 24 hours till Christmas or after Christmas or something. How true it is, I don't know. Maybe one day if I don't sleep, I'll go up and have a look. But as you know, I visit Tesco quite a bit, so I'll ask next time I'm in, which will probably be tomorrow, I would have thought. So once I've asked, I'll mention it on the next video after I've asked. Yeah, it doesn't look it on the camera, but it is quite dark now. Quite dark. There's a Derwent Manor hotel. Gate is open, but I don't think the hotel will be open, or will it? I don't know. tractor struggling up the bank, pulling a heavy load. Just coming over the River Derwent. This is the point I normally come out when I turn left and I'd say I'm on the 68, or if I turn right heading to Hexham or something. There's 2 cars in this car park, and I can see one person walking on the field with a dog. So, right, anyway, that's the end of this video. Well, it was nice to get out. I've been out about an hour. I had a bit drive around. Break some monotony, I suppose. Okay, everybody, take care, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.